Welcome to today's YouTube tutorial. In this video, we will show you how you can change the source of an image control with a button. You can also use the same logic for a PDF control. To address the image control in your script, you must give the control a name under the logic section. We need a variable that specifies the source to switch to when the button is clicked. Create a new number variable, set the value to 2. Double-click on your button to open the script, and add an if statement from the script tree. If our variable is equal to 1, the source of our image control should be the first image when you click the button. Select a text block from the script tree and enter the file name of the first image here. Then, the variable must be set to 2. If our variable is equal to 2, the source should be changed to the second image when the button is clicked. Select a text block from the script tree and enter the file name of the second image here. The variable must then be set back to 1 again. Switch to the preview to test the button. In the video description, you can find links to our template page, where you can download the project file and the corresponding article on our help page. Thank you for watching.